Hello friends and fans, here is Samsung's newest edition, the Galaxy S24 FE. This phone has impressive features at a more accessible price point. Believe me, this phone surprises you with its performance, display, and camera. That's enough, so quickly jump into the features of what this Galaxy S24 FE phone actually offers its users. Now talk about its design and build. The Galaxy S24 FE brings a premium feel with its glossy Gorilla Glass 5 back and a sturdy matte aluminum frame. While it's a bit heavier than the Galaxy S24 Plus, it retains that sleek Galaxy look, complete with separate camera rings and IP68 water and dust resistance. This is a phone that doesn't compromise on durability, while still feeling great in hand. Now talk about its display. The S24 FE boasts a vibrant 6.7-inch OLED display with a sharp 1080p resolution, a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and HDR10+ support. It's protected by Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, making it tougher than ever. The bezels are slightly thicker, but you get up to 1400 nits of brightness in auto mode, making it a fantastic option for outdoor viewing. Unlike the S24 Plus, it doesn't feature LTPO technology, but it can still switch between 120Hz and 60Hz to save power when idle. Now talk about the audio and security. Samsung has equipped this model with stereo speakers that deliver a solid audio experience with good loudness and bass, so your media sounds as good as it looks. Plus, there's an optical under-display fingerprint reader that's fast and reliable, keeping your phone secure without any fuss. Now talk about its performance and software. Under the hood, the Galaxy S24 FE is powered by Samsung's in-house Exynos 2400 chipset, delivering excellent performance for gaming and multitasking. With One UI 6.1 running on top of Android 14, you get Samsung DeX, a suite of AI features, and 7 years of OS and security updates, which makes this device future-proof for years to come. Now talk about the battery and charging. Battery life on the S24 FE is quite decent. Thanks to its 4700 mAh battery, you'll get about 11 hours and 48 minutes of active use, which is solid for this class. Charging is supported at up to 25W wired, reaching 56% in 30 minutes with the right adapter, though no charger is included in the box. Wireless and reverse wireless charging are here too, so you have plenty of charging options. Now talk about the camera system. The camera setup includes a 50 megapixels main sensor, an 8 megapixels telephoto lens with 3x zoom, and a 12 megapixels ultrawide. The main camera delivers sharp, vibrant images with good dynamic range, even in low light with its automatic night mode. The telephoto and ultrawide also produce impressive shots, though there's some noise in darker settings. The 10 megapixels selfie cam doesn't disappoint either, capturing sharp and true-to-life photos. And when it comes to video, the S24 FE can shoot in 4K at 120 FPS and even 8K at 30 FPS. Video stabilization and low light performance are solid, making this a great all-around camera phone. In short, the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE offers an impressive mix of features: a large, vibrant display, long-term software support, powerful cameras, and solid performance, all at a more affordable price than Samsung's flagship models. While the price difference between this and the S24 Plus isn't huge, it's definitely worth considering, especially if you can catch it at a discount. So, is the Galaxy S24 FE worth it? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights.